In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the cookie banner on your Wix website. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or someone who's just getting started with building your site, ensuring that your website complies with privacy laws is essential. One important step in this process is enabling a cookie consent banner. This useful tool helps inform your visitors about the types of cookies your site uses and ensures that you're transparent about data collection. Let's dive into how you can enable this feature on your Wix site and help your website meet today's privacy standards. To begin with, you'll need to first navigate to your Wix website. Once you're on your dashboard, locate the Settings option. This is typically found on the left-hand menu. Clicking on Settings will open up a host of options for you. Within this new Settings menu, you'll want to use the search function to find the Privacy and Cookies settings. Simply type in Privacy and Cookies in the search bar, and Wix will direct you to the relevant section. Once the Privacy and Cookies settings page is open, you'll notice an option to add a cookie consent banner. This is the essential step towards enabling your cookie banner. Click on this option, and a prompt will guide you through the process of adding the banner to your site. The cookie consent banner serves an important role in your website's user experience. It provides transparent communication regarding cookie usage and gives visitors the choice to consent to it. After you've clicked on the option to add the cookie consent banner, you'll see a confirmation step. Here, you simply need to click on the Agree and Add button. This step not only activates the cookie banner, but also aligns your site with legal requirements for privacy and data protection. By doing so, you're letting your visitors know that you're serious about their online privacy and the secure handling of their information. Before wrapping up, here are a few additional tips. After enabling the banner, it's a great idea to customize it based on your website's design for a seamless integration. Wix often allows you to tweak the appearance of the banner to align with your site's branding, ensuring minimal disruption to the user experience. It's crucial for users to feel both welcome and informed when visiting your site. And this customization can really enhance user interaction. By completing these steps, you've successfully enabled a cookie consent banner on your Wix site. This not only improves user trust, but also aids in compliance with data protection regulations. Remember, staying informed and up to date with these digital standards not only benefits your audience, but strengthens your brand's reputation as well. Thank you for following along. And if you have any questions or need further details, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy web designing!